Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a wig review for a wig from Ishow hair. This is what they sent over in the package, a lot of goodies, but let's get right into it. I'm just going to put on the transparent wig cap that they sent over in the package, and we're going to try on this wig, y'all. They sent over this wig. It was already curled. This is a 7x6 C-part, pre-plucked, pre-bleach, pre-cut wig, and they already had the curls in there, and this wig is long, y'all. This is what the construction of the cap looks like. You get an elastic band on it, and I like how it has their name on there, and it's the soft kind. It doesn't have any clips on it, which I actually like because sometimes the clips irritate my hair, so I like that it's just, you know, nice and comfortable. And that's an up close look of what the lace looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and tint the lace using my even lace tinting spray in the darkest color, and then I'm just going to try it on. So as you guys can see, I haven't done anything to it other than that, and we're just going to put it on. So this wig has the C part already in there. As you can see, they already parted it, so it's like in a C shape, and I'm just showing you guys how long it is. Y'all know how I do. I'm just going to pull out the layers in the front, well, the hair in the front, and I'm gonna cut some layers. I love the fact that this hair has a lot of density, so me cutting the layers in it doesn't really affect the hair at all. Towards the end, well, at the end, it's gonna be still gonna be super thick. I'm just going to be shaping my hair and just adding some dimension to the wig. So now I'm just going to put a little bit of wax and then lay down like that parting area so it could be nice and flat. Lay down my edges and everything so everything can be nice and flat and lay how I want it to lay. Now I'm just clipping my hair to the back. I'm gonna add just a small little baby hair right there in the little part area. So I'm just getting a little bit of mousse on my brush, and then I'm just gonna do a little swoop. I think that's enough. I really don't like to do a lot of baby hair, so I think that is enough, and I think it looks super cute with adding that. And I'm adding a little bit more mousse so it can, you know, stay nice and there. And then I'm just gonna put on my elastic band and let that sit for a while so my baby hairs can be nice and in place. Okay, now I'm gonna curl the hair. Although the hair already came curled, y'all know how I do. I like for my stuff to be nice and fresh and curled. So I'm just splitting my hair into half, and then I'm going to be curling my hair going towards the back all over. As you can see, I sped it up a lot. This is a lot of hair. It is so long, so it took me a little while, but I love the results and how it looked at the end. Okay, now I'm gonna add a little bit of hairspray, and then we're gonna go ahead and take off the elastic band, and then we're going to just finger comb the hair out, and then I'm just gonna go over with my brush. Although I do all that curling, I still like to have like the soft curl look in the end. Okay, y'all, so this is the completed look. This hair is super long, and as you can see, I'm just running my fingers through it, so I'm not experiencing any tangles or anything. Here are some up close looks, and I'm just really showing you guys how long it is. 28 inches. Oh my goodness. I'm about to stand up a little bit so you guys can see how long it is on me. I didn't realize it, but my little hair got stuck in my pants right there. But look how long it is. Like, and I'm 5'6", so that's just for reference. So yeah, y'all, I definitely recommend this wig. Like I said, very beginner friendly. It's pre-plucked, pre-cut, pre-bleached, 7x6 lace, and you really don't gotta do much to it. You really don't gotta do much to it at all. I'm just showing you guys all of the parting space. So I'm just getting my comb, showing you that you can definitely do like a middle part. You can part it on the other side. It already came with the C part, but you can definitely do it other ways. And like I said, it's completely glueless. You could just pick it up and go put it on in the morning and be out the door. So if you like this wig or any other wig from Ishow Hair, I will have all links in the description. Thank you, Ishow Hair, for sponsoring this video. As always, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.